Over the last few years, I have spent hundreds, if not thousands of dollars at the big box stores, picking up those bags of mulch for $2, maybe $3 a pop, bringing them home, opening them up, and realizing that I did not buy enough. So today, I will be showing you where I go now, which is our local recycling center, and what you should do in your town to find out if you have one as well. Your first step is to contact your local town board and find out if there is a recycling center near you. Typically, this is where people drop off their branches, trees, leaves, and anything that's in their yard that they want to get rid of. And for a small fee, you can have access to this mulch. Let's go get this unloaded, come back for more. So excited about the mulch that I did not see the skid steer loading up another customer. So next time, we'll be tapping into that. Got the mulch unloaded, it is now time to put it in the beds. Let's get to work. Another job complete, saved a lot of money, got it done quick and easy. Gonna be going back there for more mulch as time goes on, but like, subscribe, and follow for more.